When comparing Salesflare versus Freshsales for growing startups, you're likely wondering which one truly stands out. Both tools are designed to help businesses streamline their sales processes, but which one offers the best value for a startup looking to scale? Keep watching till the end, and I'll give you the final verdict, plus a better alternative to both. Let's start with Salesflare. It's known for its user-friendly interface, designed to make customer relationship management, CRM, feel effortless. It automates a lot of the data entry process, pulling info from emails, calendars, and social profiles, so you don't have to waste time manually entering data. Sounds great, right? But the problem is, it can feel a bit limited in customization. If you're someone who loves tweaking everything to fit your specific needs, you might find Salesflare a little too rigid for your liking. And while automation is strong, it's not as comprehensive as some of the competitors out there. Next thing, let's talk about Freshsales. Freshsales is part of the Freshworks suite, so if you're already using other Freshworks tools, it's a pretty seamless integration. It's got a solid set of features like email tracking, deal management, and a built-in phone system. It also offers a customizable pipeline, which can be a real asset for startups that have a unique sales process. However, Freshsales can be a bit overwhelming for smaller teams who don't need all the bells and whistles. It's got a lot of features, but at the cost of complexity. For new startups, you might find yourself sifting through extra features you don't need or don't have time to learn. The third thing to consider is pricing. Both Salesflare and Freshsales have tiered pricing structures, but Freshsales starts at a lower cost, which can be appealing for a startup on a tight budget. That said, Salesflare isn't too far behind in pricing and offers some solid features for the value. Where Freshsales can get a little tricky is the higher tiers, which may end up costing you a lot more if you need advanced features. Now let's talk about integrations. Freshsales does a great job of connecting with a wide variety of third-party tools, especially with its Zapier integration. However, Salesflare is more limited in this regard. If your startup uses a lot of specialized tools, Freshsales is probably a better choice because it can grow with you as your tech stack expands. On the other hand, Salesflare is perfect if you want something that works out of the box with minimal setup, but if you're planning to scale quickly, you might find the integrations lacking. The next thing to consider is reporting and analytics. Both platforms offer some decent reporting, but Freshsales has a slight edge with its deeper insights and ability to customize reports to suit your startup's specific needs. Salesflare, while easy to use, doesn't quite offer the same depth of analytics, which could be a deal breaker for businesses that need to track sales performance in detail. Now, if you're trying to grow a startup and need a tool that won't overwhelm you, both Salesflare and Freshsales can work. But after trying both, there's one solution that consistently delivers everything you need without the unnecessary features or high complexity. If you're looking for a better alternative to both, I recommend checking out the software linked in the description. It offers a better balance of ease of use, powerful integrations, and actionable insights at a fraction of the cost. The tools mentioned are good, but if you want to take your startup to the next level, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get access to the best free trial available, plus exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else.